Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. The NIALL HORAN train continues, and this time we have On a Night Like Tonight. Alright, so I'm gonna give you the different parts here of the song, and you have to put it together on your own there. I'm gonna give you the verse and chorus, which is played in the same way, and then the pre-chorus. So let's take a look at this song. No need for any capo on this one, so we're going clean. And the chords we need are to start with A. So A is played open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Next chord is the E, so open E, second A, second B, D, sorry, first G, open B, and open E. And we have the D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have F, bar chord, so you place a bar here on the first fret over all strings, and the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna work with just downs here, alright? So starting with the verse and chorus, which I said before, is played in the same way. One round of it goes like this. Alright, so it's A, 4 downs, then E, 2 downs, then back to A, 1 down, and then you have kind of a pause there. Okay, so that's the first part. So A4, E2, A1 with a pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, E, E, A, pause. And then comes the D for 8 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's one round. So one round goes. A couple of rounds to get the feeling for how it runs there. It goes like this. And so on. So there you have the verse and the chorus play. And in between there, we have the pre-chorus. You're gonna work with just down still. Now you're gonna play F8. So F8 there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to G4. Then C2 and back to G2. So that's the first half of it, so to speak. So F8, G4, C2, G2, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the second half of it, how it continues, is again F8, then G5, and then a pause. So F8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus that we just learned before. So that pretty much wraps it up for NIALL HORAN's On a Night Like Tonight. So pretty simple this one, easy chords, just downs, and that's it. So feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Thumb up this tutorial if this was helpful. And yeah, play tuned.